At Innovative Automation, we believe that manufacturing is the only route to prosperity. We believe that you either add value through engineering and design, or you add cost through overhead and inefficiency. We are dedicated to assisting our customers in adding value and improving the efficiency and performance of their manufacturing processes. Innovative Automation was founded based on the principles that every manufactured product and every manufacturing process is unique. Only manufacturers and manufacturing engineering companies like Innovative Automation truly understand the importance of these statements. Designing a product to be functional and manufacturable is a difficult task for many companies. Manufacturing a product in a manner that emphasizes part quality, maximizes production efficiency, and improves profitability is challenging. The key to overcoming manufacturing difficulties is to thoroughly understand and fully embrace the critical importance of the principle of unique products and processes. We take great pride in engineering out-of-the-box solutions directly matching your needs. No company has ever created a competitive advantage by simply mimicking their competitor's strategy. Our multifaceted team, consisting of mechanical, electrical, and chemical engineers and technicians, take great pride in identifying what makes our customers truly unique and helping them determine the solutions best suited to their manufacturing challenges. With our extensive experience in manufacturing, and this as our driving principle, we are able to provide the unique solutions that your unique applications require. Too often, we see manufacturing challenges being channeled toward catalog equipment solutions. At IA, we will never force an application to fit an available system design. Instead, we will engineer a solution specific to the requirements of the given application. Our broad knowledge base of previous system designs and build projects allows us to create techniques and methods for our custom engineered systems. Our broad experience across industries, from food to defense, allow us to leverage knowledge applicable across many manufacturing disciplines. Innovative Automation. Unique solutions for unique applications. Call us at 734-442-0100 or email us at engin@inautomation.com to see how we can support your manufacturing operations.